Well, this is what we all wanted. A Hero Intercontinental Cup final between India and Lebanon. We are back at the Kalinga Stadium in Bhubaneswar and the trophy is on the line. For the last time India kept 5 clean sheets in a row, it was under the tutelage of Syed Abdul Rahim in 1951-52. That was also the time when India kept 6 clean sheets in a row, one more, and Igor Stimac will equal that record. It is that difficult to keep your opposition at bay. Do tend to give the ball away. Ashish, was he brought down? Looked like a clip, looked like a trip. And the referee said the likes of Chanthe and Nikhil Pujari will be able to create some wonderful touch. Here comes Chanthe in towards Chetri! A powerful example of what India can do if they are allowed to express. Expression, experience and excellence. 1-0. Here's the new change as well. He's come on from Hassan Saad. So more pace, more creativity. And we all know Khalil Badr can get past his man very quickly. Chanthe. Chetri. Mahesh. And once again. Blink and he was gone. Blink again. And he had scored. You blink once, it's a problem. You blink twice, it's a sin. Especially when Chanthe and Mahesh are on the pitch. 2-0. Here comes. Gurpreet reached. He's just gone over from Nader Mata. Mohammed's shot not on target. Space immediately looking up, 2 running into the box for Lebanon. And the attempt high from Matuk, Lebanon's best chance of the evening. That is the scoreline. And here comes the captain. India are the champions of the Hero Intercontinental Cup 2023. Undefeated across the 4 games.